Today, we come together not just as colleagues, but as dreamers and creators. Grupo Di Crejar is more than a company that builds extreme play areas. We embody the essence of entertainment architects, engineers of enjoyment, and ambassadors of pure excitement. In each design, we craft every obstacle we overcome, infuse elements of passion, creativity, and innovation. Passion fuels our inner flame, driving us to reach new heights, challenging limits and exceeding expectations. It is this spark that lights up our creativity, our imagination, and drives us to turn dreams into reality. At Grupo Di Crejar, our passion for what we do is tangible in every detail, every twist, and every jump. In the realm of entertainment, our essence is defined by creation. It's our trademark. We do not settle for the ordinary. We seek the extraordinary in every product we undertake. Whether it's crafting trampoline parks or climbing walls to challenging family entertainment centers, every place we created is a masterpiece of creativity and originality. But true magic happens when we combine our passion with innovation. At Grupo Di Crejar, we do not fear change. We embrace it with enthusiasm and turn it into an opportunity. We challenge ourselves to think outside the box, explore new technologies, and constantly reinvent the concept of amuse, because we know that it is in the moments of greatest challenges that the brightest ideas and the boldest solutions emerge. As a team, we are committed to spread thrill and adventure to every corner of the globe. Today, looking towards the future, we renew our commitment to stay relevant in our industry, inspiring others to dream big and leaving behind a timeless legacy of joy and excitement. Let us continue to be passionate in our work, creative in our ideas, and bold in our actions, because together there is no limit to what we can accomplish. Thank you to those who have placed their trust in us, and those to continue to do so, to keep creating moments of adventures and joy.